Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make cheese twists. First, ensure your puff pastry is thawed but still cold, which makes it easier to work with. You'll also need about 1 cup of shredded cheese, like cheddar or Parmesan, and 1 egg for an egg wash. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit and line a baking sheet with parchment paper. This preparation ensures a smooth and easy baking process for delicious results. Now let's assemble our twists. Unroll your puff pastry onto a lightly floured surface. Brush 1/2 of the pastry with a beaten egg, then generously sprinkle your shredded cheese over the egg-washed section. Fold the other half of the pastry over the cheese, gently pressing down to seal it. This creates a cheesy layer that will be twisted into delicious snacks. Next, we'll create the twist shape. Using a sharp knife or pizza cutter, cut the folded pastry into strips, about 1/2 inch wide and 6 to 8 inches long. Take each strip and gently twist it several times, forming a spiral. Place these twisted strips onto your prepared baking sheet, leaving a little space between each one to allow for expansion during baking. Finally, it's time to bake these savory treats. Pop your baking sheet into the preheated oven and bake for about 15 to 20 minutes, or until they are beautifully golden brown and puffed up. Once baked, transfer them to a wire rack to cool slightly before serving. They are best enjoyed warm, but also make a great snack at room temperature. Don't forget to check the description for links to other great deals and products, including that awesome car air freshener.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.